Yo guys, so welcome back to my channel once again. So in this video I'm going to show you how you can get free 10k account and also 5k account, and these people are going to be choosing randomly. Okay, so it's not that when you perform this task you are going to win account straightforward. It's a giveaway, so they are going to select or randomly pick three people to win from this. Okay, so if you're interested, just watch to the end of this video to perform this little task in order to enter this giveaway. It's very, very simple. You have to subscribe to my channel because a lot of updates are being dropped on this channel every single day, and most of them are limited to some number of people. So if you have not subscribed, you will not get a notification to get into them very early to win an account for them. So remember, this video is for educational purpose and entertainment purpose only. I'm not in partnership with any of these program. I only do research and update you about the information that is publicly available on the internet. Before you jump onto them or do anything with them, make sure you do your own investigation and research before you engage with them. With that being said, let's get started. So I will take you to my Discord server, how we do it every day. Most of the pro firm giveaway are being posted or announced on the Discord server. That is why I used to take you there just to do my own research deeply to get you the information. So this was updated yesterday from the trusted pro firm. Okay, so brand new episode plus free account giveaway. So these are what they want you to do. So the latest episode is live. And this time we are diving into top one trader with an in-depth review. Okay, so they uploaded a YouTube video link here. Watch right now. Okay, we break down evaluation mode, payout structure, rules, scaling, platforms. Okay, so these are the models that they tackle in the video. They put how do you call it, 10 secret code inside the video. Okay, so the video that you are going to watch, they put a 10 secret code that is hidden in the video. Free account up for grab. Okay, so this is how we are going to do it. Don't miss out. So watch the full video, find all the 10 hidden codes, put them in the exact order they appear, and then email the complete list or the complete code in order to this email, support at thetrustedprofirm.com. Okay, after that, prices first come, first serve. Okay, by the email time stamp. Okay, so when you submit first, you are going to be choosing first. So that is why I'm recording this video very early for you to jump onto them, and make sure you watch the video, get the code clearly according to the order they appear, and then send them to this email, support at thetrustedprofirm.com. Support at thetrustedprop.com. Okay, and then first come first serve. First to take correct entry, they are going to get free 10k challenge account. Remember, these accounts are not a real fund. They are demo or simulated capitals. You only have to trade and get rewarded set by the requirement met by the pro firm. And then secondly, 3 random YouTube commenters will win 5,000 challenge accounts. So they are going to randomly pick 3 people again, which they are going to win 5,000 challenge account, which is a simulated capital. Clock is ticking. Get watching, start hunting, and look in your free account today. Okay, it's very, very simple. Very, very simple. You can tag your friends who also go onto this competition or whatever contest you call it. Okay, that is what I have for you guys today. Make sure you enjoy and don't forget to subscribe to my channel. The only way you subscribe is how you can get the update very quickly and jump onto them before people. Goodbye and see you tomorrow in another update.